Welcome to Toolsplit. My name is Dots, and today we'll give you a quick summary of the Galaxy Unpacked 2021 event highlights, just in case you missed it. If you also remember this video's title, we'll share our first take on the Galaxy foldable smartphone, back and better. In total, 5 Galaxy devices were unveiled. This will be a quick one, so please subscribe now and hit the notifications bell to help us make more great content. Now, let's roll. Just like with every event, there are pre-event rumors. So if you're a nerd like us, then some of our highlights should be of no surprise. This event, held on the 11th of August, was special because regular product launches like that of the Samsung Galaxy S21 have already been sorted just to make way for it to shine. Here's a breakdown of each segment of the 1-hour event. Watch 4 series. This comes with a bigger health focus to help customers reach their goals, from blood pressure and ECG data to team-based challenges, more options for workout, and more. The Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic also have all the advanced tech. So let's show you some of the clips.
Today, we're excited to introduce the Galaxy Watch 4 series. The Watch 4 combines the most attractive design with the best functionality a smartwatch has to offer. It even gives you the freedom to customize every element. It looks super sophisticated with the signature circular frame of the Galaxy Watch series. Its newly designed strap makes it fit more comfortably and brings the sensor close to your wrist to make health tracking more accurate. Both models of the Watch 4 series come with an incredibly durable strap. It's strong and sweat resistant, so it'll last through a long workday, an intense workout, and so much more. You can even customize your Watch 4 to express your personal style. If you want to match your watch to your favorite outfit, you can add a personal touch with a choice of colorful straps.
Open experiences with the foldables. The Z Fold series comes with a tab and smartphone experience with one experience. They come with improved display, sound, water resistance, and also efficient battery consumption. The Z Flip 3 comes in great colors, designed for style, and also easy to use without having to open all the time. Those on the gram won't worry about a monopod to take pictures too. What about the price? Z Flip 3 would only be $999 US, and the Fold about $1,700 US. Here's a clip.
Today, we're introducing 2 new foldables that you will love, starting with Galaxy Z Fold 3. Check out that gorgeous design. Doesn't it look amazing? The Z Fold 3 is stylish and sleek and weighs less than your morning cup of coffee. And just like your coffee, it helps you take on the day. When closed, Z Fold 3 looks and works like a standard smartphone. So you can do all the things you already enjoy, like messaging your friends or playing your favorite game on the way to meet them, all on the cover screen. You can glide across your screen as you scroll through with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, you'll be able to see clearly, even when you're outside on a sunny day. These high-quality visuals continue on the main screen, which has the same refresh rate and dynamic display, resulting in a seamless experience as you open and close your Z Fold 3. Most people are happy with their standard smartphone experience, so why change a good thing? Well, when closed, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 gives you the full benefits of a regular smartphone. But when you unfold, it brings you so much more. At 7.6 inches, Z Fold 3's main display delivers a tablet-like experience, all on a cinematic screen. Thanks to our latest innovation in display technology, Eco Square, the visuals are brighter with power efficiency. You get a dynamic display with less battery consumption.
Why is this segment so important? This is not the first time the Galaxy Fold was launched. The revolutionary device was highly priced at $2,000 and could not be sold on retail in 2019 as the battery was dying too quickly. Samsung was at the time scared of competition and wanted to go to market before the likes of Huawei and BOE. Now that Samsung has come back from the drawing board, trust that this product will heavily be reviewed by us at ToolSplit, so you can save your time and money just in case. Galaxy Buds 2. It's got it all. Better noise cancellation of up to 98% and a more precise fit into your eardrums. It also got the nice colors to choose from. It's even got AI to filter out the bad sounds. This buds will roll out for $149 US.
Over the course of a typical day, there's so much to listen to and enjoy. From calls with our friends to our favorite music and podcasts, we all tune into the things we care about. That's why we've built the Galaxy Buds 2 to deliver exceptional sound and all-around quality. The Buds 2 are designed to complement your personal style. They come in soft, natural colors that spice up every single look. Buds 2 deliver a super secure fit. They're the smallest and lightest buds we've ever made, so they'll stay comfortable and snug in your ear. They use a two-way speaker, a woofer for more powerful bass, and a tweeter for cleaner, high notes. The result? Balanced and mesmerizing sound. Galaxy Buds 2 come with best-in-class active noise cancelling. ANC cuts external background noise by up to 98%, so you can really hear what you're listening to. ANC is essential to an excellent listening experience, so we made sure you can enjoy a long-lasting battery on Buds 2, even with a smaller form factor. With ANC on, your battery will last up to 5 hours. With ANC off, your battery will last up to 7.5 hours. And your case will keep your Buds 2 working for up to 20 hours, so you won't have to interrupt your day to charge. These buds help you listen to the world and communicate with your favorite people. That's why I'm super excited that Buds 2 deliver advanced call quality. With Buds 2, you can call a friend while you're in a noisy area, and your friend will still be able to hear your voice clearly. Here's how it works. 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit catch what you're saying on your call. Then, Buds 2 uses a machine learning-based solution to identify unwanted sounds, like traffic noise and background conversations, and filter out those sounds. Your earbuds' curved design also shields your mic and your call from wind, so you can enjoy every moment of your catch-up. Because we believe every moment should be effortless, we designed Buds 2 to work seamlessly in the Galaxy ecosystem. They connect easily with the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. And if you pair them with your Galaxy Watch, you can switch to ambient mode with just a tap in your Buds controller app. How cool is that? And with Auto Switch, moving between your smartphone, tablet, and watch is easier than ever. Say you're watching a show on your tablet when your phone rings. Your Buds 2 will automatically switch their connection to your phone, so you can take the call.
What's up?
And if you decide to go on a run without your phone and start a playlist on your watch, your earbuds will connect automatically. Enjoy your music and get in all your steps for the day.
As the event concluded, we got the old good tech PR details on diversity, climate change, collaboration, and all that fun stuff. We won't show you that clip as you already get the drift. And there you go. Expect further videos on the unboxing and review of these new products. If you're on the team Samsung, let us know the products we should review first in the comments. Also, check out the Samsung's YouTube channel for recently released product videos. With that,